we discuss what is QA. QA stands quality assurance and it involves a set of activities that focus on ensuring that product or service meets specified requirements and standards. In the context of software development, QA involves testing the software to identify and address any item or defects before it is released to the end user. What is software testing? A process of analyzing a software item to detect the difference between existing and required conditions like defects, that is defects, and evaluating features of the software item. Yeah, quality assurance in the software development. QA in software development is like a begin a detective for the computer programs. It's about making sure that the software works correctly, does it does what's supposed to do, and does not have any hidden problems. QA helps prevent mistakes and ensure that the final product is top notch. Means without any bugs, without bug-free product. Content. Software quality via quality attributes. What is difference between QA and QC and testing? Roles of QA in SDLC and need for testing lifecycle. These are the quality software quality attributes. Uh, Software quality means it defines a bundle of attributes present in a application and where appropriate that level of the attributes for which the end user holds a positive value is a high degree or grade of the excellence conference to requirements. These are the quality attributes: safety, security, reliability, robustness, understandability, testability, adaptability, modularity, complexity, portability, usability, reusability, efficiency, learnability. What is QA and what is purpose of QA? Quali- to manage QA purpose is to manage improve quality of the process or product. Quality assurance is a set of process to be followed to develop, test, and maintain a software. It includes verification and review and monitoring activities for different stages of the software development. Quality assurance is a proactive activity aims at prevision of defects. Is a function that manages quality but does not refer the activity of the inspecting the software. Quality control. Purpose to produce defect-free product. This quality control done in the production environment. After the QA quality assurance is done and after quality assurance done after the product was released to production, after that we are doing the quality control. The focus of finding the defects in the specific deliverables, the operational techniques and activities used to fulfill requirement of the quality. Quality control is a reactive activity aims at detection of defects. Testing is one of example of the quality control. There are others such as inspections. Benefits of the quality assurance: reduce time to market, better customer experience at a reduced cost, low risk, reduce rework, increase job satisfaction, serving as a differentiator, efficient framework for outsourcing. Testing. What is testing? Process testing process to use it to identify correctness and completeness and quality of the product. The technique investigation of the product under the control conditions with the intention to find the bugs. Testing being a component level and a control towards integrating the entire system cannot be performed by developer because one can never find their own flows. For suppose if developer testing the product, they could not find any bugs because what he thinking is correct way. So that's why uh, this testing is cannot performed by developers. Exhausting testing is often impossible. Choose best test and define when to stop the testing. These are the roles for the QA in SDLC cycle. Requirements, we have to take the requirement from the client and the specifications and the design. In the designing means assuring that approved design stands for following, assure, assuring that approved designs placed under the configuration management, assure that results of the designs inspections are included in designs. Coding. This part is done by the developer. And testing. Testing means assuring that readiness of the testing of all delivery items, assuring that all tests are run according to the test plan and produce and that any non-conformance conference conformance are reported and resolved, assuring that test reports are complete and correct and certifying that test is completed and software and documentations are ready for delivery. Delivery means once testing is done, we will release the product to the end user. That is the delivery. Means we can give the delivery product after development. We can give to the customer. Need for testing. Ensure that software is a bug free. Ensure that system meets customer requirements and software specifications. Ensure that system meets end user expectations. We don't want to customer to find the bugs. That is the main aim for the customer tester. Fixing the bugs identified after release is expensive. So we are going for the testing before release to the product. These are the life cycle in test requirements. Here the requirement specification document, functional specification document, design specification documents, and use case documents. Use case means what is the exact functionality you want to test. And the test traceability and the matrix identify test coverage. And under the test planning, test scope, test environment, different test phases and test methodologies, and manual and automation testing. Here we have to decide. Client will decide the what you want. He wants to, for suppose they wants to manual or automation, and we can defect management, confirmation management, risk management, evaluation of identification, test defect tracking tool, test environment setup. This is test bed. Test bed means installation of the basic setup for testing the product, that is test bed. Network connectivity, all softwares, tools install and confirmation, coordinate coordination and vendor and others. Test design, test traceability matrix, test coverage, test scenario identification, test case preparation, test data and test scripts preparation, test case review and approval, basic lining under the confirmation management. Test automation. Automation requirements identification, tools evaluation tools like Selenium, Eclipse. Eclipse are like Eclipse. We have a different flavors in this automation. So we have to evaluate design or identifying the framework and scripting. Scripting means which language you are okay, like Java, Python, like script integration, review and approval, test execution and defect tracking, execute test cases, testing, test scripts, capture, review and analyze the test results, raise the defects and the tracking for its closure, test report and acceptance.